Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan apps on the Google Play Store. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, open up the Google Play Store on your phone. And once you're on Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Once you are here, you have to simply tap on Go to Play Protect. And now tap on the scan button right here. Play Protect will quickly scan all your installed apps and let you know if any suspicious or harmful apps are found. You will see a message if everything is safe or if there's an issue. And that's it. That's how you can scan apps on Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.